You're not alone. That heavy weight on your chest, the endless cycle of doubt, regret, and feeling like you've lost your way. It's something we all face at some point. Life can feel overwhelming, like you're trapped in a maze with no exit in sight. Being stuck doesn't mean you're finished. It's a pause, not a full stop. The first step to restarting your life is admitting that you feel stuck. Stop pretending everything is fine. Stop convincing yourself you're okay when you're not. Recognize the need for change, because in that moment of honesty, you'll find the spark you need to ignite something greater. It's easy to believe the lie that it's too late for you, that you've missed your chance, that the mistakes you've made, the opportunities you've lost, or the circumstances you've endured have locked you into a life you didn't choose. But here's the truth. It's never too late. Not as long as you're alive. Life has this incredible ability to renew itself. Just like the earth moves through seasons, you can too. The cold, dark winters in your life are not permanent. Spring will come again, and when it does, you'll be ready to grow. The chains that hold you back, fear, self-doubt, bad habits, toxic relationships, they're not unbreakable. They may feel like they are, but their strength comes from your belief in them. Once you realize you have the power to walk away, they lose their grip. It's time to let go of what's holding you back. Let go of the idea that you have to be perfect. Let go of the belief that success happens overnight. Let go of comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. The moment you free yourself from these chains, you create space for something new, something better. Restarting doesn't have to mean starting over. You don't need to erase everything you've built. Instead, think of it as recalibrating, realigning, getting back to the core of who you are and what you want. The first step? Define your vision. What does the life you want look like? Not what others expect from you, not what society says you should aim for, but what truly makes your heart race. Write it down, visualize it, feel it as if it's already yours. The second step? Take action. Small steps build momentum. Want to get healthier? Start with a 10-minute walk. Want to change careers? Dedicate 30 minutes a day to learning a new skill. It doesn't have to be monumental. It just has to be consistent. Consistency is your superpower. When you show up for yourself every day, even in small ways, you prove to yourself that you're capable of change. That's how you rebuild trust in yourself. The road won't be easy. There will be days when doubt creeps back in, when old habits try to pull you down, when you question if you're making any progress at all. But every time you push through, you grow stronger. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Your transformation isn't just about achieving a goal. It's about becoming the kind of person who doesn't give up, who faces challenges head on, who knows that their past does not define their future. You are stronger than you think. You are more resilient than you realize. And you are capable of creating a life that reflects your dreams. But it starts with you. It starts with believing that change is possible. It starts with one decision to begin again. This is your moment, your time to step away from the habits and patterns that no longer serve you. Your time to stop everything and restart your life. Not next week, not next month, now. Your future is waiting for you to claim it. So take the leap, take the risk, believe in yourself, because the life you want, it's closer than you think. If you found value in this video, support us by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Check out more videos to stay inspired and continue your journey. Remember, the journey is tough, but so are you. Keep pushing on your path to target.